Bibi, good morning. Good morning, Canada. Ayan ang bibi namin, oh. Kumain ng kanyang lunch.
Katawa mo ko
Hello, mga tiyay.
Basta mamira na dito mga gamit.
Ikaw ang laysaka dito, kay kadyot naman kaayo. Diha na lang sa parking. Going na naman tayo sa pang ano ba tawag niyan? Yung lose weight journey ni Marvel. Malaki na ang pinagbago. Uy! Kalit man lang nagsulod ning tawhana, oy. Kalit man lang insert sa tubangan. Mura grabe. Saan na siya? Kalit naman nagsulod ng mamuta. Yan minsan ang daan yung mga driver hindi magkaano ba, bigla na lang sumulpot sa harapan. So pangalawang bisis na, pangalawang bisis na to. Kailangan talaga tayo mag-ingat.
Sa right man dahil tadi di man ito sa left. Dahil na kay left man to.
So inom ka ng water, ha. Uy, no. Ginagargle ang water. Do not put here. Traffic. Pag bantay mabil kay medyo kuan kayo ang kuan. Kayo sa ipakuan sa kay nakarating na tayo. Dito tayo ngayon sa parking lot. Inaantay pa si Inton.
Dali na. Goodbye.
Come na ton. Ay nako. Mainit ang panahon, mga tiyaying. Ang tagal pa ni Inton, oh. Tagal mo, ha?
Gusto naman nini.
Come here. Come. Daghinot gidugdula, oh.
Sana lagi ko man naluagan lagi ko murag na ano lagi.
Salang-alang unsa may pulos anak kung di mo. Do not. Yan na, Sinton bakaton.
Dito ba di ba?
Come here. Sama kami ni Mabel dito. Dito na naman tayo sa The Glenmore Clinic. Tapos na. Tapos na kami. Bilis lang. Dili eh.
Salon na.
Oo. Buhi pa kayo. Buhi pa kayo sila. Ini tidak cellphone. Patay na ng isa, naghayang na. Once again mga tiyaying, good afternoon. Busy ang bibi oh. Ano kaya yung mga ginugupit-gupit niyo diyan? Si Mabil andoon pa sa diyan oh. Kinidia, ano ba ang tawag niyan? Doon siya pumunta kasi bibili siya ng battery sa weighing scale. Yung tibangan. Kasi yung battery binili niya, isang patungan lang. Pagka next timbang wala na. Bumigay na sa battery. So ngayon mga tiyaying, parang ang ano natin ngayon kasi yun nga mga tiyay, nagka-problema tayo sa ating kwarto. Hindi ma-open yung ating kwarto dahil nasara nasa loob yung key. At wala nang spare pala yung key na ginamit ko sa kwarto. So medyo yung damit nga natin ay talaga parang yan oh. Hindi natin masyado kasi damit ito ni Mabel. Pinasuot dahil hindi ako makapasok nga sa room. So tapos na tayo sa ating pag-grocery and then pagbalik natin mamaya, ihatid muna natin sa bahay ang grocery pagkatapos alis na naman tayo, balik na naman tayo doon sa speech therapy ni Queen. Mag-therapy na naman si Queen. Absent siya sa sa OT dahil wala talagang magsundo niya mga tiyaying sa hapon. So medyo problema dahil alam mo naman na medyo malayo-layo yung niya therapist niya. So by 3:20 siguro alis na kami. So ngayon ay 2 PM pa to ano bang oras? 2:26 ng hapon. So bilis-bilisan lang natin ang ating pag-uwi hanggang sa 3:20 alis na din tayo. Kasi 3:45 yung umpisa ng kanyang therapy. So alam niyo ba mga tiyaying na mahal yung session per session ng therapy. Kaya medyo nahihirapan din si Mabel na ano ba tawag niyan? Yung sa mga bayarin ba ng mga therapy kasi occasional therapy yun at saka speech therapy. So dalawa. Kaya yun, mahirap dito sa Canada mga tiyaying. Mahirap talaga, kailangan mo talagang trabahoin ng maigi yung mga pera pambayad sa mga bills dito. Ang daming mga bills talaga. Grabe. Dito ko na-realize na wala talagang taong pwedeng magtambay sa bahay. Dahil hindi ka mabubuhay dito talaga. Patay ka talaga dito pag wala kang trabaho. Paano ang bayarin mo sa bahay, sa tubig, kuryente, sa gas, mga sasakyan, sa mga insurances? Yung insurance nila, mayroong bi-weekly, mayroong monthly, basta mga ganun. Ay nako, dito ko lang na-realize na wala talagang di pwede magtamad-tamaran dito sa Canada. So yun mga tiyaying, lahat pagkain, mga insurances, maliban sa insurance ng sasakyan, mayroon talaga ditong health insurance. Maliban lang kung PR ka na dito kasi libre na lahat. Pero kung hindi ka pa PR dito, magbayad ka talaga. So ganun.
Pepperoni with extra cheese. Oh,
Queen.
Winston, what do
Winston.
you like on your pizza? Yes, but I'm asking you, Quinton, what do you
Basta
like
niya.
on your pizza? You can say, I like Do you like cheese or pepperoni or both?
Both.
You could say, I
Love both.
love both. Me too. I love pepperoni and cheese on my pizza. It's a party. A party. A pepperoni pizza party. Ooh, what are they doing? What are they doing?
What are they doing, Winston? They are...
Let's look. She can't see. She's putting the
Tail.
where? Where is she putting the tail? The tail goes
On the unicorn.
on the unicorn. But everyone did not agree. Uh-oh. Callie said pepperoni would be just fine, but I really like pretzels on mine. Do you think pretzels go on pizza? Yes or no? Yes, you think we should put some pretzels on the pizza? Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new, but maybe pretzels would be groovy too. All right, let's put some pretzels on our pizza. Can you put some on our pizza? Put the pretzels on the pizza. Thank you. Ooh, it's a party. It's a party. Pizza. Okay. All right, X-ray fish. It's his. He gets to order first. You get to be X-ray fish. We're gonna order at the pizza shop.
Ah.
All right. All right. Hey, X-ray fish. What would you like on your pizza? You can say, can I have? Which one? Oh, you can tell me, can I have?
Use your word. And you need to wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Use your word.
What would you like?
Ketchup.
I need to hear it loudly though.
Do you like pizza?
What do you want? You can say.
What?
You have to ask Mr. Quail. What do you want? I want cheese, please.
So cute.
Good job. Mmm, I love cheese. It's so gooey and yummy. Okay, you gotta ask me again. You can say. No.
No.
Remember, Mr. Quail's ordering.
Louder. We can't hear you.
I
Miss
don't know.
Quail can't hear you. Louder your voice. Do you?
You like pizza, please?
Yeah, you can say, what do you like on your pizza? You want to try that?
Your pizza?
What do you like on your pizza? I like mushrooms, please.
Okay, put the mushroom. Good job.
Thank you. Oh. Yeah, put it on the pizza, Quinston. Now you gotta ask.
No, you need to ask again. You
my
ask
friend.
again to Quail. What
Do you
do you like?
On your pizza.
on your pizza?
I would like
Listen.
tomatoes on my pizza. Mmm. Oh, just on that slice. Oh, that's much better. I only want one more thing.
What?
Do you
Louder.
on your pizza, please?
I would like pepperoni, please. No, not peppers, pepperoni.
Police car.
Where does the police car go at the end? Where does it go at the end of the day?
Police car.
It
Yeah.
goes
Goes
to.
to where?
Police station.
All right. Who drives this car?
Police station.
But who drives the car?
Who drive?
Police station.
That's where they go. But who drives it?
Who drive? Mommy?
Does
Or-
mommy drive a police car? Who drives the police car?
Police.
Police.
Please, mommy, police car.
Mommy doesn't have a police car, but who drives the police car? A policeman.
Policeman drive the police car.
Yeah, who drives the car? Police car. Police.
Police car.
Policeman.
Policeman.
So it's interesting. He gets stuck in these habits of he knew that I was asking him who works here for
Mhm.
all of them, so he will almost answer before I ask the question. And then when I change up the type of question I ask him, so I went from where to a who, he's gets stuck a little bit because
Yeah.
he's not tuning into the exact
Yeah.
question. I know he knows the difference between who and where, but then he gets stuck kind of thinking about
Yeah.
so I've been trying to change up the way instead of being super habitual because he kind